Welcome to dotcom.builders. In this video, I will share with you how to set an email signature on Bluehost. Without any further ado, let's start this tutorial. First, go to bluehost.titan.email. Set or fill in your email address. Click on next. Then your password. Now click on login. Now to set your email signature in Bluehost, it's simple. Simply click on this settings icon and click on preferences. Now scroll down to below send and reply. You will see signatures. Click on it. And from this page, you can create an automatic signature to end every email with. Add your work information or a closing line. Click on add a signature button. Here, you can name the signature and also create it here. For this, I will get the help of ChatGPT. I will ask it to write me a signature for my pizza business called Ben's Pizza. Ben's Pizza with fake data. Before I continue this video, I want to let you know that you can get access to my online course about Bluehost for free. Inside this course, you will learn many things, including how to get started with Bluehost, how to set up and manage your website, also email management, domain management, performance optimization, and also billing and account management. Other than this, you will also get access to other courses about hosting, web hosting, WordPress, email, and also website builder. How to get all of this for free? Simply go to academy.dotcom.builders, link in the description. Without any further ado, let's go back to our tutorial. This is a good signature. This is the signature name. And this is the signature itself. Click on save. Use your saved signature. This is it. You can edit it from here. Discard changes. You can even delete it. Here you can even select between the signature that will show up for new message, depending on the message, if it is new or a reply or a forward. So you can create or you can add a new signature, and for the replies you can select another signature and so on. Now let's test this new email signature. So I will write a new message to myself. Check my signature. Click on send. Hi or hi there. Click on send, message sent. Now let's check my inbox. And this is my new message. And this is how the email signature will look like on the recipient end. And this is how to set an email signature on Bluehost. If you still have a question, leave it in the comments below. And don't forget to give this video a like. Thank you.